Hi YouTube, I'm doing another review. It's about mechanic tool set. I bought it at Kmart for $20. As you can see, it's brand new seal. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we got inside. Okay, let's open it up. Here we go. You got the wrench. You got the wrench. The wrench is here. And you got the wrench. The socket. As you can see, it's all messed up. Fix it a little. Okay. As you can see, got the wrench here, the socket here, got the socket, and you got the extension, you got the screwdriver. It's very solid for $20. It's 113 piece right there. 113 piece. And where? So it's 113 piece. You got the wrench, the socket. It's pretty solid for $20. What can you ask more for a mechanic tool? It's very cheap at Walmart. As you can see, take it out. Very solid. For a basic job, it's okay. And you got your very hard to get out. Okay. Your hatch wrench. Your hatch wrench over there. You got your hatch wrench right there. There's one, and there's another one. And you got your wrench here. The wrench. And the socket right there. Socket and the screwdriver. It's 113 piece. Got it at Walmart for $20. Not bad. Good price. Nice case. Nice case. Got all this. So that's about it. If you like it, go to Walmart and grab it. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumb up and please subscribe so I can make more video. Thank you for watching.